The owner of the West Michigan Animal Sanctuary, Howling Timbers, is back in court, accused of illegal breeding and housing wolf dogs. The civil case against Brenda Pearson began in October, following an investigation of complaints of injuries at her facility. 13 on your side's Andrea Flores has details from court today.
Monday's hearing was a continuation of testimony from multiple witnesses, the primary one being a Muskegon County veterinarian who evaluated the wolf dogs at Howling Timbers. The future placement of about 45 wolf dogs will be determined based on this trial.
Grillis, Peyote, Shakira, Kiona, and Lakota. Are those all wolf dogs?
Yes.
The prosecution in this case spent a bulk of the hearing evaluating this document, a report on the condition of the animals and living conditions at Howling Timbers.
And was also able to observe whether or not they had appropriate shelter from the elements, fresh water, or any visible evidence of that they'd been fed.
Dr. Lori Wright from Muskegon County wrote this up after taking part in a search warrant done by the DNR in 2021. She found the wolf dogs in varying conditions, from injured and underweight to generally healthy.
These animals, you can see ribs, you can see some bony prominences, but it's not likely that they have had significant loss of muscle mass.
This hearing comes after testimony started this past October, where witnesses took the stand amid allegations that volunteers and a small child were hurt at the facility. The prosecution says that Pearson didn't have any permits to have these animals, calling different state and federal agencies to the stand Monday to testify to that. But Pearson's attorney argues that fact.
And I think they're just trying to barrage this court with just, oh, they weren't licensed here, they weren't licensed there. They, I mean, they have the USD, you wouldn't go to the USDA to license this facility.
This trial continues Tuesday morning with more witnesses being called to testify. In the newsroom, Andrea Flores, 13 on your side.